Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss what is exemptions under section 143 subclause 1 of Income Tax Act 1961. Exemption under section 143 subclause 1 is a preliminary assessment and it's referred to as summary assessment without calling the taxpayer either assessed. Scope of assessment under section 143 subclause 1. Assessment under section 143 subclause 1 is likely preliminary check of the return of income. At this stage, no details scrutiny of the returns of income is carried out. At this stage, the total income or loss is computed after making the following adjustment. Any arithmetical error in the return or an incorrect claim, if such incorrect claim is apparent from any information in the return. From the above purpose, an incorrect income apparent from any information in the return means a claim on the basis of an entry in the return of an item which is inconsistent with another entry of the same or same other item in such return, in respect of which the information is required to be furnished under the Act to substantiate such entry and has not been so furnished, or in respect of a deduction where such deduction exceeds specified statutory limit which may have been expressed as monetary amount or percentage or ratio or fraction. Procedure of assessment under section 143 subclause 1. After correcting arithmetical error or incorrect claim, if any as discussed above, the tax and interest, if any shall be computed on the basis of the adjustment income, any sum payable be or refund due to the taxpayer shall be intimated to him.